Hey diamond painters and crafters, it's Trisha with Joann Creations, and today I'm coming to you to bring a unboxing video of a new diamond painting I got from technically Leisure Arts, but it's powered by Diamond Dots, so I always say Diamond Dots. But it was on the Black Friday sale. It was supposed to be half off, but when I went to the cash register, this one rang up $4 too, and it is a 20 by 16. And it is a holiday edition. It is the, I think they call it Holiday Village. This is the one I definitely wanted to get, and it's this cute one. But it is a full drill round, and stay tuned for the unboxing video. So we're going to jump into this unboxing video, and I'm super excited for this one. This is the one I picked up today for $4. It was the one I was definitely going out to get at Joann's on Black Friday, and it was supposed to be half off. That's what it said in their ad. It is called Holiday Village. I keep saying Snow Village because it looks snowy, but this is their Holiday Village one, and it was supposed to be half off, but however, I went to the cash register and it rang up $4, so I was super excited. Plus, it was the only one they had left. So, let's jump into this unboxing video. So, it is a 16 by 20 and it has 31 colors and it is a full drill. So, I'm super excited for this one, and especially because it was $4, but it is a holiday special one. I don't know. I know sometimes they bring out some of the same holiday special ones, you know, next year or whatever, or they come out like this is a new design. This one was not released last year, at least not to my knowledge. So it is a diamond. It's powered by Diamond Dots, and it's from Leisure Art, but I call it Diamond Dots because they use the Diamond Dot drills. If you like to keep your drills in your bags, when you get it out of your box, it does have a sticker on it that tells you it's a Holiday Village. And we'll jump into the canvas first, because that's like my favorite part to unwrap, is to see the canvas and how it looks. So Diamond Dots in Leisure Art is a little bit thicker of a canvas. It's not soft at all. It's very sturdy, but it will flatten out easily. And Diamond Dots has started to add this extra color on the side, so if you do mount it to a canvas, not a canvas board is not what I was trying to say, a canvas frame, like for, you know, the stretch frames, that's what they're called, stretch frames, it has the extra color so you can stretch it over. It also helps with, if you frame it in a little bit bigger of a frame, you have that extra. This one has 31 colors with no ABs. Wow, no ABs. No ABs and no blacks. Wow, this one has no blacks, because their black is 8001, and there is no blacks in this. And like I said, this is a 16 by 20, so it is a little bit bigger. Of course, you got your instruction kit, which is what I just pulled off to the side. Now, what you see here, these are not rivers, it's just where the plastic's not laying down. Okay, it is perfectly fine. There is a little something under the glue right there, but it'll be okay. Looks like it got some dirt when they were putting the glue down, but it'll be okay. So it will not show through, and besides, I usually get a piece of dirt on it anyways when I work with my diamond paintings. But isn't it so cute? I love the Christmas tree and the little snowman. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. So 31 colors for a 16 by 20 full drill kit for $4. Is that not like an amazing deal? And it's super cute. Look at that snowman. It's got the little wreath on the side. You got the Christmas tree in the window. It's so, oh, I can't wait. It's so gorgeous. Now, I am surprised that they did not have any white ABs on this one, but I guess they decided that they did not want white ABs, so that's okay. So we'll jump into these drills. Oh wait, there is white ABs. Where's the white ABs? Ah, it's mixed in. Thought there would be. Usually they do white ABs for snow. I saw it in here. It's mixed in there, so it's actually color A24 So usually they either do them first or last, but I guess with this one they wanted to mix it in. So your toolkit, original toolkit, wax, stylus, grip, tray. You got your 2 little light colors. Again, these are the 13 facet drills, which I love. Okay, you got, I mean, you just got an array of colors, man. You got, like I said, no black, unless I was blind and didn't see it. But this is blue, so this looks a little black, but this is actually a deep blue, like a navy blue, 8157. You got your browns, you got your orange, reds, kind of more of like an orange red. Definitely got your red, that should be 8015. Some deep red, your blues. You got 2 packs of 8155, so there's a lot of this blue in there. Some more browns and yellows. So again, just quickly going through the beautiful colors in this kit. I'm super excited for this one. I can't wait to do it. This is the one I definitely wanted to get at Joann's, and I'm so glad that I was not able to purchase it early. Ooh, I love this color. 8181. This is one of my favorite colors. It's like a blue teal color. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of shiny bright, but love that. Oh, and I love this color too. It's like a 8182. Those 2 colors, like a sea green, blue color. One of my favorite colors. And there's your ABs I was talking about that I thought was not in there. 5001 is the colors. And then you got some light blues. So a very good array of colors in this kit. Trying to show you, but it's not working. So, beautiful kit for $4. I don't know if they will be $4 soon, because this kit wasn't originally $30 kit, and I got the last one. It luckily was in the wrong spot, because when I got there, they did not have it, and I was like, oh, I'm so sad, but I was also like, oh, well, don't need another one. But I looked in the end cap, which was actually the Diamond Art Club ones, and it was sitting right there, and I was so excited. And when it rang up $4, the lady's like, oh my gosh, this is $4. And I was like, you can't change it on me. I'm going to keep it for $4, right? And she's like, yeah. And then I went back to check on, they actually had a Christmas tree one, but I got that in my Secret Santa last year from the diamond painting group that we did it in. And so I got the snowman one, which there is an unboxing video for that. And I got this one. So I got 3 diamond paintings because I picked the Christmas tree one up for my mom. Cheaper than what this one diamond painting would cost me. So it was a good Black Friday for me. I hope you guys had stayed safe and had a good Black Friday and a good Thanksgiving. So take care of yourselves, and until next time.